We always want and look for something to keep us young, healthy, and lean. And to actually get it and even lose belly fat, it is recommended having healthy eating habits and exercising regularly. It helps burn built-up fat, improves the circulatory system, and increases metabolism. But did you know that plants can also help us lose weight? Medicinal plants are good to treat and cure diseases, and some are also good when we want to burn belly fat and lose weight. Do you want to know what they are? Artichoke. It offers amazing benefits to our bodies. Together with broccoli and cauliflower, it is one of the most consumed flowers around the world. And not only for its taste, artichokes have excellent medicinal and nutritional properties. If you want to lose weight, artichoke tea can help you. Diuretic, detox, and depurative, it cleanses the body, getting rid of toxins, fat, and excessive liquids. Learn how to make it. 3 tablespoons dried artichoke leaves, 33 ounces water. Making it is very easy. Add the artichoke leaves to a pan with the boiling water and let it boil for 5 more minutes. Strain and add some honey or artificial sweetener if you wish. Green tea. You surely must have heard about the benefits of green tea for losing weight. It detoxes, reduces bloating, accelerates metabolism, and burns fat. Making it is simple. 1 dessert spoon of green tea leaves, 1 cup of hot water. Don't let it boil. Some beneficial compounds of green tea only dissolve in hot water. Pour the hot water over the leaves and cover it with a lid. Let it sit for 3 minutes. Strain and drink without sweetening. The ideal would be to drink it daily since it gives a sensation of satiety and quickly reduces the volume of your abdomen. It is also better to drink it on an empty stomach. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great spice that benefits weight loss and can even help control diabetes, besides many other benefits. Cinnamon tea must be prepared daily and can be kept in or out of the fridge. To make it, you will need 4 cinnamon sticks, 33 ounces water. Put the cinnamon and water to boil for 10 minutes in a pan. Remove the cinnamon sticks and let it cool down a bit. After that, you can add some drops of lemon before drinking. The ideal is to consume up to 3 cups of this tea a day before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dandelion. We have already talked about it on our channel. Dandelions have amazing benefits to our health and even helps to burn fat. Did you know that? Dandelion helps cleanse the body and eases the elimination of liquids, fats, and toxins. To make it, you will need 1 tablespoon dandelion roots, crushed, 5 ounces water. To make this tea, just pour 5 ounces of boiling water over a tablespoon of crushed dandelion roots and let it sit for 10 minutes. You can drink 3 cups of this tea a day before your meals. And there you go. You will be able to naturally lose weight with something simple and easy to make. Ginger and cinnamon can be bad for some groups of people since they can cause stomach discomfort, difficulty to digest, and gas. Besides that, people who suffer from hypertension and pregnant and nursing women must also avoid them. Were you familiar with any of these teas to eliminate belly fat? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.